Greetings, guys. Greetings. Now today, bar star from Bars Beat. So now the bar star can know what I did with this. And if you remember, well, I don't know this a song named Freaky Girl or Freaky Girl by Vybz Kartel. And wait a forward from. Now that song I did about like 2008, right? And when Cartel did that song in 2008, we get some serious backlash, right? And I mean, me never accept this song. I still not really like accept it, But you see, sometimes you have to know. When you know the history of something or the story behind it, it give a better appreciation for it. And that song not really much different, Because I develop an appreciation from it. Or it work out based on what story me hear. And I go make you see the story down in the last, and I go chat it out. In the last, I go make you see it. So the song Freaky Girl. Freaky girl are them girl them in love. I saw a song go. Now, as me say, get a piece of backlash. Because Jamaica have like a taboo culture when it comes to like sex. Anything we do with sex them. If it's not like a dagger thing, then everything remains are kept taboo. Me not say me pro or against. I'm just saying that's your culture. Right? But in all the time when Cartel talk about the freaky girl, same one of the girls that we do basically everything for them. And Vybz Kartel is one of the persons there we can go down for say him give women the most strength in the music business. And not for saying that him have a little reputation about there was an incident with him and one of the females in the Gaza, in the Portman Empire thing she said him beat her. That never really reached like in terms of investigation or so, but the allegation was that. So that sort of scared him a little. But in terms of the legacy, he was a lot of female. I would say strength will mean him give them the pushing or the backing. Right? Follow me now, I go somewhere with this. So you have like two cartel, you have Gaza Kim, Gaza Slim, Gaza Indo, Vanessa Bling, Sheba. Yeah, couple of them come through film, forward through film thing. Even Spice get a little strength off of Vybz Kartel too, Big woman thing. Alright. So me go back to what I said now, the freaky girl. Now this lady named Milk, I don't know if you know her. But the younger set of people might not know her. Take a sip of my liquor. The younger set of people might not know her. But Milk was a TV personality back in them time, like 2008, backwards. Right? Very pretty lady. Still pretty. Now, what did happen with Milk? Now, Milk got a piece of demise in her career. Was staying her up till this day, somebody staying left by her. No bleach can't get off them staying there. Right? So what happened with her now? She used to work at CVM. It's a prominent media house in Jamaica. She was with this gentleman and he called ZJ Liquid. Yes. Now, what did happen is that the two of them did one sexual act, right? And Milk videoed it. And because she said so, she videoed the act and pan my man the phone. And that time in 2008, I think the actual date was June 8th, 2008. Yes. So she videoed the thing. And apparently the phone got lost. Can you imagine how you do a lewd act, right? And put it on your phone and know so the phone lost. Especially if you know, say, the app depend on a chip, what the actor you do depend on a chip. Not in the phone, you know, so you know, say, if you don't have a password, you can't open the phone, it depend on a chip. So I might just find the chip and you have everything for you. So that is that. The phone did last. And I think about like 2 years later, I think, you know, while them do them thing. And that time, me I run the media space, you know. Right? Should I run CVM? Yeah, man, big man team. Let me take a shit for that. Yeah, man, me did I run a space. Right? And eventually the phone resurfaced. Not the phone, the video. The video surfaced now after a couple of years. And that was the end. At the beginning of the end of Milk's career. Yes, because when that video the surfaced now, she lost her job at CVM. And after she lost her job at CVM, she did rent a place in a St. Andrew, which is the uptown. We call it uptown. You have downtown and uptown. So uptown, she lost her place. So she was actually homeless for about 6 to 9 months. Homeless. Right? And because society never never ready for that. And she basically did feel a serious piece of backlash. Because she up here something she did down here so. Even below down here so she did way down there so. See? And according to her, nobody never reached out to her. In terms of the media industry. No women's group never reached out to her. She depend on her own. But lo and behold now, she said Vybz Kartel reach out to her. And Vybz Kartel I said, boy, you are going on. Milk, we know a thing going on, but what really happens is that woman not Jamaican not ready for what you're doing. They're not ready for you. But because Vybz Kartel was influential at the time, anything what Vybz Kartel say, it becomes a trend and it becomes a hot thing. So Vybz Kartel say, according to her, is that he must save her face now. So he want her to become like what you call it now? A road manager for the hold that that's so. A road manager for your music, for your artists, them, Sean Storm and them people who never depend tour. Plus, that's when him arranged for do the song. You see what I talk about? Him say him do the song now, according to she. Him did the song for sort of educate or make it become less impactful upon her. The freaky girl them girl let me love and whatever. In addition to that, proceeds of the song goes to her. So it helps her a little financially. Plus she becomes a road manager for him artist them. You see me? So in that sense, you know, when she said that, when we listen to that interview, then I say, okay. So while Vybz Kartel did I do the song, it maybe I do it for sort of save face for her because you know people know her and people know so she got through a bad piece of turmoil. But him stand up for her and say, boy, you know, I do this for her. And after I do that for her now, a couple of people falling. She said, busy signal, do one too. I can't remember something about milk. And she get a proceed of that. And she was helped by even Francois from Fame FM and a couple other things. She said she been back and forth until she reached to a level after a couple of years, you know. But by listening to her story, I start to appreciate a little bit more because a lot of stories that I hear is basically how Vybz Kartel use him style and so forth and him influence for help our people. Because I remember the freaky song. And I tell you, Vybz Kartel did get backlashing for it. Right? I understand about now for hear how she put it in and you know, he never talk about it up to this day. I never hear an interview what Vybz Kartel did when talk about that part of his journey by helping out she. A lot of females are here talk about it or help them out. Help them out by doing the things to them. So that story that put me in a place and me decide to share it. Me also decide to share the video. So to watch it. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about the whole thing when me talk about, and let me know think about Milk. Because as I said, Milk went through a serious piece of mental breakdown. She even talk about her getting abused as a child. So much things. So this story is basically about Milk and Vybz Kartel and everything. So let me know what you think, guys. As usual, bar talk again. So here we go. We are big gonna have that. Cheers.
Enough man with there with enough man, me and them build together. It's not always a rich man.
Well, you used to your rich man, you used to your artist them, and your selector DJ man them, you know. But remember,
Who are you referring to, Liquid?
Eh?
Who are you referring to, Liquid? You remember, so Liquid is my co-star in the video, you know.
Jesus Christ. I liquid that! That video was a planting to publish out, or just like, it just get
No. No, we lost our phone. He lost his phone, Zine. But I don't put it past, he used to cheat on me, so I don't put it past like one of him girls them seated him phone and she was the person who did it. That's another way you can look at it. But we lost our phone. Well, he lost his phone at this party that we were playing at. And a couple years later, after we lost the phone, that is when it came out. But yeah, so he lost his phone. But then when I come to think of it, he was cheating on me so much that it could have been one of the girls that he was cheating on me with, took it out of the phone at the time that, because we was a power couple, When Liquid and I were together, Zip 103 was just open. We were on radio together. We were a power couple, and some girls never like that. But it mashed up my career, and I lost my job at CVM and everything. Even now, it's hard for me to get work. But I work on a lot of productions, My last job was the Bob Marley movie. It was so great working on that,
Yeah.
Confessions Monday.
Sorry about the job and everything, man. I did understand the last part about the job and everything, I understand, say. And I hear like they lose a couple deals and stuff,
Yeah, I was homeless if it wasn't for Kartel, because Kartel called me and Kartel said, Milk, let me tell you something. Every girl has something. But me, I gonna make it work for you because you can't make it work for yourself. And then like in 4 hours, he called me and him said, yo, listen to that voice note here. And it was a voice note where he said, Jolene, Ray. And you see from him start singing the songs, every time he make money from the Pretty Girl songs, Pretty Girl part 1, part 2, and part 3, I would benefit from it. So he called me and he said, yo, Milk, just come work on the Gaza, yeah, man, because Jamaica wasn't ready for that. And everybody had do the same thing, but them would do it behind closed doors. So I was homeless for like 3 months, and then Kartel called me and said, yo, I have a plan. And then him said, you gyal them I love. And then that was when the whole series of those songs came out. And then even Conscience came out with, do the thing now please, make me talk in a Japanese. Yeah, him with the song. When that song made money, I would make money too.
Yeah, sorry for you about that, man, Milk.
And then Busy came out with a song called That's Why I Like Milk. Give her the real cereal. You ever hear that song yet? You can listen to it on YouTube. He made that song so that I could make money.
Yeah. Sorry for you about that, man, Milk. Swear.
It's okay. My back broad.
Yeah, man, you see me? I go homeless school a few times to myself in America. But I never give up. I never say, me I go back home because I never have the intention to go back home. Because I always put myself in a level where me I tell myself that Jamaica have nothing to offer me.
Yeah.
So, I always bounce back. Me a hustle in the milk. I love hustle.
Me too, you know, Chippy. Me too.
I like hustle, you know. I like hustle, bro. You know, but then I want part in life right now. I just want God bless me. I just thank God, bro. And elevate milk. Cause milk, milk in a easy when you're homeless and a dog and hungry in a milk.
I know.
Like in a world, you just stress. But if you see me elevate myself from out of that situation, the milk. That's why some of the big back man where they are foreign, when you need to go up on a foot, you hear what milk say? She homeless how much time that she get back herself. When you have to fix on herself, bro. Big man thing, bro. A whole heap of time, dog. It made me be a better person to the milk, dog.
For real.
Me, when I cry nowadays, milk, I tears of joy. You feel me? I don't do tears of, the stress and tears of, no, milk. Me remember one time, milk, when I wake up, a bicycle, I have to jump on bicycle go and get food. Now I wake up, me not know which car to drive. Like, blessings, you feel me?
Wow.
Like, man, happy in life, and I just realize it, bro. I just thank God for everything that God ever do for me. You know? Yeah, bro.
Thank you, Tanitia.
I build a relationship with God. You know? Build a relationship with God.
It was rough. I had to just send my son to my grandmother and just know say me just I go rough it out on the roadside or just in my car. But lucky thing, my car was like a SUV car, like I could plug in my TV, I could take my fan out of the back and plug in my fan, and I could plug in a microwave if I wanted to. I had a little thing that made tea. I just plug it in right there, so in the car I make tea in the morning. And then still go to my grandmother and pick up my son and drop him to school. Not because I am homeless, my son have to suffer, you know, so. Yeah. But my back broad, man. He's a little country girl. My back broad. I came through it. And that's why, no matter what anybody have to say about Addy really helped me in a time where I had no help. And I helped a lot of people with them career over the years, and nobody called me. When I lost my job at TVM, no one called me. It's only Kartel alone.
You have to just continue. Continue, bro. If Milk you have a great personality, if you feel like, bro, if you feel like you have to go come 1 week on this app, and you feel like you have to go play a couple games in your room, you can also have this app and set up your little podcast. Make everything go towards you now, bro. Because you have it. You have a personality, you have a voice, you have it. So, bro, if you say you're going to come together, Milk, and you're going to put a little podcast in your house and get a little celebrity friend them to come through and put you up, and you come back, yeah, bro, you know. But me tell you something, Milk, when we find out. You can do it, but probably some people just don't have it to do it. So with the people that will have it to do it, it just sounds easy like that. And that me used to feel to understand in life. Not because you have it and somebody over there can do it, but then they can do it, but then probably just don't have it. If it's funny. You know what I mean? Yeah, bro. You have everything, bro. You have everything for do it. If you feel like you want to come over here, bro, you want help to open a little podcast and buy a little camera, I will help you, Milk. Because remember, bro, you is the first person to put me on an international TV. You see me? Big man thing. And I can't forget. You call me and say, come on Jamaica. You know what I mean? I appreciate it. If you want help, we can help you get your podcast. And remember where I come from. I'm not ungrateful.